EURUSD, back for a quick update for New York. So since the last update, we did see the push to the upside that I was expecting. We're having a pullback now. Ultimately, what I would like to see is price, to come back down, maybe where we're at now, there's the demand zone, or to the 4-hour demand zone, push up. This is the area that I would like to see the price come to. This is also a flip zone, so potentially this could be an area where the price pushes right back down. At the same time, we may see a reaction, push higher up into supply, and then after that, the push down. So that's what I'm looking at more on the higher time frame, but what we're seeing for New York session. So as I was saying, there's a demand zone below. It's 4-hour demand zone with multiple areas of refined demand, but we're also at a 5-minute demand here. Had initial reaction off of it, pushed up, but then came back down deeper. And because of that, I have a feeling that it's going to push down a little deeper before it starts to push up again. But if it does break lower time frame structure, I may look for pullbacks for entries to take it up. There is also the possibility that, it just continues down from here. But based on what I'm seeing on the higher time frame, we haven't really hit anything significant. So I'm expecting further continuation up, at least to this supply. And then we'll see the reaction from there to give us some ideas if it's going to continue higher, or if it's going to reverse and push right back down from there. Anyways, that's about all I'm seeing for now. Just hoping we get an entry. Unlike last time on that push down, it didn't give any sort of a clean entry. You could say there was a lower time frame break here, pull back down to demand where we could have gone an entry, taken it up, but honestly, it's quite risky. So hopefully we see something a little cleaner, maybe on the lower time frame. A break of this last point of supply, breaking structure, and then after that, this could potentially act as a flip zone for entries to take it up. So in this situation, what we'd have to see is a break of the last point of supply, and then a break of the 1-minute structure, pull back down to demand, and then after that, hopefully taking it up. But again, I'm not so confident in this zone. Just the way that it's playing around, I have a feeling that it's going to come down a little deeper. And if it does come down deeper, I may be a little more risky in my entries. We have about 40 minutes till New York Open, so there's no rush at this point to enter trades. It'll likely play around and probably do some pullbacks at New York Open anyways, unless we see the push up from here. If we start to see a push up from here, then potentially at New York we may just have continuation. But at the same time, it's more likely that it's going to do some sort of pullback before pushing up. But anyways, for now, just watching this demand area, see if it holds. If not, if it breaks, then I'll start to look for, or wait and start to look for entries at the lower demand. Okay, anyways, hope that helps. If you have any questions or comments, as usual, please leave them below and I'll answer them when I can. And good luck with trading New York session. Cheers.